In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen with Google AI Studio. To get started, open Google AI Studio in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. Once you are logged in, take a moment to make sure you are on the main interface, where you can access the playground section. This is where you will set up the screen sharing session. From there, click into the playground area and look for the model settings. Under the model section, choose real time. This is important because the real-time option is what allows interactive features like live screen sharing to work properly. After that, select your preferred Gemini model. If you see more than one option, just choose the one you want to use for your session. Next, find and click the Share Screen option. At this point, your browser will usually open a sharing window and give you a few choices. You can share a specific window if you only want Google AI Studio to see one app. You can share your entire screen if you want everything visible. Or you can choose a Chrome tab if you only want to share a single browser tab. Pick the option that best matches what you need. If privacy matters, sharing just one window or one tab is often the better choice, since it helps avoid accidentally showing other content on your screen. Once you've selected what you want to share, click Share to begin. If prompted, allow microphone and camera access. Depending on your setup, Google AI Studio may request these permissions so the real-time session can work correctly. If you are only planning to use screen sharing, just follow the prompts needed to continue. And make sure your browser permissions are enabled if something doesn't start right away. After everything is connected, your screen should now be shared with Google AI Studio. At that point, you can continue with whatever task or demonstration you want to show inside the session. When you are finished, click Stop Sharing to end the screen share. Then click the X icon to disconnect from the session completely. This is a good final step to make sure the connection is fully closed and nothing continues running in the background. And that's it. Thanks for watching.